Well, I'm in the old Datsun pickup. This thing's so tiny. We are going to attempt to drive it over to the in-laws' house and see if we can make the little journey.
Well, y'all, Austin's recording from that side, but here it goes.
Oh man. Well, I'm sure there will be plenty of footage of this. Hopefully, don't get pulled over. Wish me luck. That's about a 10 mile drive. And we're gonna take back roads that aren't traveled very much. That way we can keep everybody safe, including myself.
That truck is so small. The video does not do it justice.
Well, we didn't make it very far, and that is entirely yours truly's fault. I didn't fill up with gas. I didn't want to take it down by Main Street and have everybody see it, and possibly have the cops drive by and see this old pickup smoking without a plate and send a couple lights sitting there filling up. So my bad. But she stopped smoking, actually, and it's either because we ran out of gas, ran out of another fluid, or just hadn't been driven in so dang long. That is now cleared out. But she runs pretty dang good. Everything else about the truck's pretty rough. The seat's rough. The suspension, rough. So we'll get gas. Justice is getting gas. And we'll be back on the road. One thing I definitely need to go through is like these vacuum lines. The singular one, I have no idea what it's doing. But yeah, that needs to be addressed. It might... I have no idea. I'm not even gonna pretend like I know. Every Datsun I've owned thus far has been fuel injection, so I mean, I had a 240Z for a little while, but I wouldn't count that because I didn't really ever work on it. But this is gonna be new to me, this carburetor. The SUs were a little tricky. I didn't know really how to do it, but this will be new. It'll be a little bit of a learning experience. We'll have to figure out how to tune it, but it'd be pretty cool. This thing's gonna be solid. We're gonna get this thing running so good and driving so good, and Justice is gonna make me get rid of it. Actually, I'm gonna make me get rid of it, but I can blame it on Justice, right? You guys blame your wives for everything? I try. Gasoline has been acquired. It's time to go the rest of the way, hopefully. At least to a gas station.
Well, the little gas can was not enough.
I told you not to tell me.
We had to go get gas
I did tell
again.
you to get the big can.
He did tell me to get the big can. I set that on my side too. So we went and picked up this. Hey! Hey!
Yep.
Paisley.
Instead of going to get gas, we went and got a monkey.
Yep.
That way we can push it.
Yeah. So we're just planning on having her push it the rest of the way.
Paisley, you're pushing the truck, right?
Are you gonna get out and push the truck? Oh, well, there goes that idea.
Well, now that we got the truck in the shop, we're going ahead, we're tearing it apart. We pulled the seat out, pulling the carpet out right now. We're kind of taking all the stuff off. It's gonna have to be taken off anyways, but without messing with the engine bay currently. Also, had a problem with the the truck, with the mini truck not turning off. Ended up being the voltage regulator. I guess it's a pretty common thing on these cars or trucks. I'm gonna have to get used to saying that. They just go bad. It's a common issue. It's also common when you do an L20 swap, although this still has the original style externally regulated alternator, so it didn't have that issue where you have to cross over the wires and actually delete that guy, which may be something we do, but I either need to get a new alternator or a new voltage regulator. We can get that all sorted out. Just a note here, these floors, that actually looks kind of rough on video. That's not that bad actually, but they're super solid. The 620 that we had was absolutely rotten. Also, I've got a dash cover. I just wanted to see what it looked like. This is by AccuForm, not sponsored, although if you guys would like to, go ahead and hit me up. That would be dope. I'm sure I could find another project car that we could work together on. So if you want to do that, let me know. Email's in the description. You can also shoot me a DM on Instagram, TikTok, whatever you want. I just want to see what it looked like. So we're going to take it back off and I'll show you exactly what the dash looks like. It's pretty disgusting. It's cracked. It's falling apart. And there's tons of bugs in there. It's nasty. We're gonna
take the dash out.
Just like that. Yeah. You see how gross that is? Paisley, what do you think? Is that nasty up there?
Is that gross?
Look at it. Get up there.
Want to kiss it?
Give you a big old smooch. She said no. She don't know.
She said.
Yeah, so that's pretty gross. We'll take the windshield out, and then we'll also probably end up taking the lower metal section out. I'm pretty sure it's all one unit, so it'll all come out together. But we're gonna paint that so it looks all nice and fresh and new for whomever ends up with this truck. It might be me. I might end up with it. I might just end up with it if I'm lucky.
You need to start collecting strays.
It's a new home.
Austin
It's a new home. It's okay.
Has a habit of adopting strays.
It's okay.
And never letting them go.
I'm very loving.
You don't let them go. You gotta let them go.
No. Somebody else let them go.
Why don't they do
I'm
it.
here.
You put them back together and you're
I'm
supposed
here
to get
now.
rid of them.
It's
Give them a
okay.
new home.
It's okay.
You're a foster parent.
All right, I'll make a deal.
What's your deal?
If we can do well on these videos, if we can do well on these Datsun videos, we'll keep the truck and we'll wide body it.
Oh, you're gonna get rid of the truck. It's gone. It's already gone.
Guys, I need your help. I need you to help me. Run away.
He doesn't want it.
Hey, you. Come back here. I'm trying to contact you about your car's extended warranty. Come back.
I got the screwdriver.
You got the blue?
Screwdriver.
She got the screwdriver, not the blue.
That's what she said.
No.
I'm just taking a shim. I don't know what is this? A shim?
A file?
It's just shim. It's not even a file.
Yeah, but you would use it for wood.
Yeah. Anyways, I'm taking that and just chisel. That's a good word. And just tearing these out. It is hard as a rock. So some of it's, yeah, that one. So it's just breaking apart. So we'll have to get new weather stripping. Then just taking that out. The carpet's all out. The seat is out. The seat's gonna have to be, what in the world? Get off of those wheels.
I'm trying to get my.
Don't get in the wheels.
I'm trying to get my screwdriver.
You dropped the screwdriver in there?
No, I dropped my windshield in there.
Good luck getting it. Have fun. The seat's gonna have to be redone, reupholstered. So I'm gonna reupholster it because there is no seat for this out there.
Yeah, nobody makes a kit to reseat it.
So I'm gonna get creative. That's what's gonna happen. Anyways, so yeah, that's just taking it apart, trying to get it ready for paint. That's what we're gonna do.
Yeah, that's a long time from now.
Well,
Yes.
well, yeah, but I gotta get everything taken apart first.
That's at least 2 moons from now.
This is my favorite part, taking everything apart.
My favorite part is like when it's going back together and like finally feels like a vehicle. Because right now it's just a
Rust
bucket.
bucket?
It's not really rusty, so it's not a rust bucket. It's just a bucket.
Yeah, actually the floors are solid. This is probably the most solid floor I've ever seen in a Datsun. I think, nope, it's not I thought there was a hole right here. It's just a piece. So.
In that corner, but I think somebody did that. I don't think that's from rust.
Oh no, that's not a rust hole. It's circled out. So yeah, those are just 3 holes. But other than that, she is
Also,
solid.
we're gonna be dynamatting this whole thing so it doesn't rattle and echo. It'll be much more pleasant to ride in. Not that I didn't have a great time, but longer than 10 minutes probably would be less than ideal.
We needed not that nice, but that's pretty nice.
Yeah.
One day.
So I went 3/4 of the way around the windshield. Now, just like that,
Oh jeez.
she come out.
Crap out of me.
Hello.
Hello.
Think something blow out. I'm gonna take that out and get all the freaking nasty insects out of here. And we can go ahead and toss this glass because we are not reusing it. See, and this is just like absolutely filthy. All of the bugs and all of the garbage, it needs to go right now.
Taking my phone back in my pocket.
Paisley robbed Justice and is now imitating us, which is fine. She's pretending she's recording.
Not anymore. She stuffed my phone back in my pocket.
Well, it's because you were getting on to her.
I'm honoring? I didn't say
No, you were
that.
getting on to her.
Oh, I did not.
She did. Don't let her lie to you.
I did it once. I said, "What are you doing?" That was it.
Hey, look at me, dude.
Oh, look at this is just coming right out. Oh yeah. That was nice.
Was it
That was very
satisfying? It's like peeling the
Very
plastic off of a brand new phone. Come here, tell them what you just told me.
I just hiding.
Nope, that is not what she said. Come here, come here. What are we doing to the truck right now?
Just turn the lights out.
Okay, so come over here and tell the camera.
I'm pulling
No, you gotta come by me so they can see you. Come here. Alright, what are we doing to the truck, Pete?
pulling the lights out. Pulling the lights.
You gotta tell them.
Pulling the lights out.
We're pulling the headlights out.
Mhm.
Are we gonna put new ones in?
Mhm.
Yeah, because these ones are pretty junk, huh?
Mhm.
They're old,
Yeah.
crusty.
Yeah.
So that's the last thing we're gonna do in this video is we're gonna go ahead and take these headlights out and probably the turn signals, get the rest of this front end light free, and we'll close out this video and that'll be all. But I've got to get through drilling because 3 of the 4 on this one are stripped. Luckily, one of them was stripped on this side, so it wasn't that bad, but this is gonna be a little bit more of a sides of the headlights out, so that's where we're going to call it on this video. So what we've done, we've taken apart the interior, gotten most of that out except for the dash, got the windshield out, we got the headlights out, and we did start taking apart the bed rail beads, but a lot of those are going to have to be drilled out, so I will finish that off video so it doesn't get mundane and boring. Thank you all for watching. If you liked the video, like the video. If you didn't like the video, hit the thumbs up so it knows we did terrible. Leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.